We got pancakes and bacon for breakfast. So I forgot to say goodbye last night because we literally got in at 2 o'clock and we just fell straight asleep. But anyway, we had a really good day yesterday. Our nights was so good. Like, we literally needed to get that pass, the fast pass, because we wouldn't have been able to go in any of the houses. The waits were so long. So we were gone for one day and it was really busy. I definitely recommend getting it, and the prices change every day as well depending on how busy it is. So ours were 60 each last night, but that was from like 11 to 2, so we had to wait until 11 to use it. For the full night I think it was like 120 each. So like, if you know that it's going to be busy, to be honest, like every night we've gone it's been busy, so just assume it's going to be busy. And if you only have one night to go, if you can just wait till like even 9 o'clock to go and then get that pass, because some of them start at 10 o'clock as well. Like last week, or sorry, the first week we went, we asked about it and he was like, oh, you can use it after 10. So, but last night it was 11, so it's different every night, so you just have to check. But you could just go late to the park, but we were there since like 7 and we couldn't use it till 11, so it was just like we were just tired by the time we got to use it. But it was really good. We literally just walked into all the houses, so we got to do them all as well, which was cool. Yeah, and the fast passes, like for the full night as well, the prices on them change every time it's on as well, so like just depends on what day it is, I suppose. But they're definitely worth getting if you have the money. They are expensive as well. Like, we just had extra money from the other day when the hurricane was here. We didn't spend any money because we had to stay in, so that's how we were able to get it. But if we didn't have that, we wouldn't have been able to get it, and then we wouldn't have been able to go into any of the houses last night. We probably would have got 2 or 3 of them done. Probably not even 3, because the waits were so long. Anyways, now we're going to Blizzard Beach, the water park, for a few hours, and then I think we're going to Epcot tonight then to watch them fireworks. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. So funny, isn't it? There's that big giant slide. It's called Summit Plummet. And you literally go up and he goes straight down. It's so scary. There's a lazy river. And there's also ski lifts that brings you up to the top of the mountain, and that's where most of the slides are. There's a little beach over there with huts and all. There's the ski lifts. This kid part is really cool. It's like an obstacle course, but it looks like it's in the snow. It's really cute. I don't really want to show loads of the water parks. It's a bit weird when people are in their bikinis and all, like, don't want to be filming them like a creep. This is the best thing, the donuts. These are the best things ever. Mini donuts and white chocolate sauce, and they're hot.
Thank you.
So we're just gonna get lunch now, and we're going to Chick-fil-A because it was closed yesterday and we love it. So we're going to get that. Also, Blizzard Beach is really good. Yeah, it's really fun.
My fucking farmer tan. Holy shit. That's the farmeriest tan ever.
This is a Chick-fil-A chicken burger. So good. Then we just got nuggets and waffle fries. I didn't get a burger today, I just got nuggets. So good. All the different candy apples. So cool. So everything's made out of Coke cans and wrappers. It's a wallet. They have really good Coke stuff in here. Oh, look at that. Hold it for a sec. Cup dispenser.
It's on right.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, come here.
That's only $5. Oh my god, Coke floats there. So good. No way.
That'd be unreal for Christmas, wouldn't it?
Yeah, you want room in the bag for that.
I think it fit in and put stuff in it.
Don't know.
And that's good, isn't it?
Look what else they have.
Oh my god, that's so good.
And that.
Can you get that
Slider. And the straws. I know, yeah.
We have a Coca as well, haven't we? What's in that? These are $8.
They're only $2.
Oh no, I guess so.
Hold on. Oh, they're cute. Notepads.
So good.
Also, this is on like the roof of Coke. It's really cool looking.
Number 5.
That's how much was left, as all we like didn't drink much at all. We're just in Antijitos getting dinner and we got these to start with.
They're free.
For free.